Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy your Google AI Studio app for free. So let's get started. So you can see that I have created a simple to-do list application and now I wish to deploy it. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to open the AI app or project that you want to deploy. And this could be anything that you want. And after opening the project, you can look around the top right section of the screen and click on the share or export option depending on the version you are using. In some projects, you may also see a Get Code or Open in App button. Now, what we need to do is export the application code so we can host it online for free. Or alternatively, you can simply copy the link from here and go to any website that will convert your application into source code or any other file such as APK, IPA. So you can go to the Google and search for that specific website and paste the link down over there and download from there. And it also has a built-in GitHub feature. You can simply log into GitHub and upload your code to any of the GitHub repository and everything will be very easy. So you can simply log into GitHub and you can create a new repository, give your repository any name you want. You can keep it public and then click create repository. Now you can upload all the exported Google AI Studio project files into this repository. You can either upload it yourself or simply integrate GitHub into the Google AI Studio and the code will automatically be uploaded on the GitHub repository. Now we need a free hosting platform. So open a new tab and go to Vercel. Vercel is one of the easiest ways to deploy websites and AI apps for free. So once you are on Vercel website, you're going to click sign up. You can continue with your Google account to make things faster. So over here at the top bar, you'll be able to see a text box. So you're going to simply paste your GitHub repository's URL over here. And now you're going to wait a few moments while Vercel builds and deploys your app. And that's it. Your Google AI Studio app is now live on the internet with a free public URL that anyone can access. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.